Hello everyone, welcome to this video series on Web Technologies Lab. So in this video, we are going to look at program 12, which is to create a simple calculator using JavaScript. So let's go ahead and see the code for this program. Okay, so there is this file index.html which contains the code to display a calculator, and there is calc.js which contains a small amount of JavaScript code. Okay, so this is index.html. Let me show you the output of this file. So here it is, index.html. Yeah, so this is the output of the HTML code, which is this code. Okay, so the calculator is very small. Let's zoom in. You can hold Control key and move the mouse wheel up. Okay, now the calculator is clearly visible, right? So let me do some calculation. 2 into 4 equal to 8. Okay, similarly, maybe 10 divided by 2 equal to 5, right? So this is the output. Just creating a simple or basic calculator like this. So now let's observe the code and try to understand what is happening. So you already know all these basic HTML tags, the HTML root tag, head tag, and body tag. Okay, so in the head tag we have title tag, which is used to display the title. You already know this, and we are using JavaScript. Okay, external JavaScript. So I am linking that JavaScript in this file using script tags and specifying source equal to file name of the JavaScript, which is calc.js. Okay, and then we are displaying, oh, I made a mistake. This has to be actually inside the body, right? So should be like this, right? So heading 1, heading level 1 tag, which is displaying simple calculator, which is displaying this. Okay, then we have a font tag. The action is set to empty. No action is taking place. So if you want, you can remove this also. There is no problem. Okay, and it is opening here and it is closing down here. Okay, and within the font tags we have created a table. So why I have created a table means to display the calculator like this. If you don't use a table, you just remove the table tags and see what happens. Okay, so how to create a table means you will use the opening table tag and of course closing table tag here. Okay, and within the table you have different rows. So tr means table row. Okay, so this is one row and this is second row, third row, and fourth row. Okay, now what we are doing inside the table is, so in the first row I am specifying column. So td means column and tr means row. Okay, td means column, right? And inside I have created a column, and inside the column I am creating a text field. So this is the thing, this is the text field. Okay, right, text box, and I have given the ID of the text field as txt result. So we will use this thing in the JavaScript, we will see later. Okay, and here I have given call span equal to 5. So you check out what is the use of this call span and why I have given 5 here. Okay, right, and then in the second row again I am creating a column, and inside the column I am adding 5 buttons. Okay, so this is the second row, means this is the second row. It has 5 buttons, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and I have given the IDs like this, txt 1 2 3 4 5, and here for every button I am using the onClick attribute, and the value I am giving is check. This is a function that we will write in the JavaScript. So this is the function check, and Whenever I am calling check, I am passing a value. For 1, I am passing 1. For 2, I am passing 2, etc., which will go into X. Okay, and we are using that X here. I will explain this later. Right, and similarly, say another row which is creating 5 more buttons. These things 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. And similarly, the last row, which is again creating 5 more buttons, plus, minus, okay, star, divided by, and equal to. So if you see here, for equal, I mean the button which is displaying equal symbol, I am giving on click equal to another function which is result. Okay, this is not check, this is result, this is another function. So we have two functions here, one is check, another one is result. Okay, so this is the HTML code where we are using forms and table. And this one, this is inline CSS. You already know about this, you have seen in the previous programs. So what we are doing is we are giving a border of what should I say, width. Border width is 1 pixel and it is solid border, and I am giving text line equal to center. So let me remove this and show you what will happen if I don't give this. Okay, I have removed it. Now if I refresh, see the calculator is being displayed like this. There is no border and these things are aligned to left. That's why I am giving this CSS. Okay, now if you refresh, you will again see this one. Okay, right. Now let's observe what is happening in this check function and this result function in the JavaScript. So here is the JavaScript. At the top, I am creating an empty variable, global variable called exp to store the expression. So I am calculating something, right? 2 into 3, 2 plus 5, something like that. It is an expression, right? We will store the expression here. So whenever we click any of the buttons except equal to, that is, let's say 2, I am clicking 2 and it is displaying here. So let's see how it is happening. So 2 comes into X. Okay, and what we are doing in the first line, we are doing expression equal to expression dot concat X, means this plus X, which is 2. So this is 2 now. Okay, and immediately what we are doing, we are using document dot get element by id txt result. What is txt result? As I have told you, txt result is the id we have given for text field, right? This one. So we are getting that and we are setting its value to expression, which is 2. That's why it is displaying 2 here. Okay, similarly if I click, let's say plus, so plus will also come into X, right? And it gets concatenated to X, which is already having 2, right? So the expression becomes 2 plus, and we are displaying it here like this, 2 plus. Similarly, if I give 5, again X will come into 5. We are concatenating it with expression which is having 2 plus. So now it becomes 2 plus 5, and we are displaying that in the text field. Okay, that's how you are seeing these things. Now when will we execute this result? When I click equal to. Okay, so when I click equal to, this function gets executed, and what is happening here? So we are setting again, we are writing the same thing here, and here we are using a predefined function in JavaScript called eval. Eval is used to evaluate an expression. So we are evaluating the expression. So the expression is 2 plus 5, so it becomes 7. Okay, and it will be displayed. So I am clicking equal to 7, right? And after that, I am clearing the expression, right? We have to clear it. We don't need the old expression here, so I am clearing it. That's all. So this is the code for creating a simple or basic calculator in JavaScript. So I hope you all have understood. So if you have any doubts, you can comment below the video, and please like the video and share it with your friends. Thank you.